Hi guys, just a quick video on my radio rally finds. There's a radio rally today and people sort of always say, oh, I don't need to go to a radio rally, I don't really need anything. Okay, you might not need anything, but it's good to have a wander because you never know what you can find. One of the items is, I've emptied the bag out now, but was the whole bag, the contents of this whole bag for £1. That was it. He said, get rid of everything is £1. So, inside the bag was a length of about 10 metres of RG58. It's got PL259s. Cable is virtually brand new, and so are the connectors. Then there was a 5 metre length of RG58. It's got BNCs, coming quite handy. Then amongst all the finds, there's patch leads with BNCs that can be all reused. Loads of connectors. Again, more BNC with croc clips. Good test leads. More test leads. Mains kettle 3-pin type lead. So a cigarette lighter cord with banana connectors, if I can get it. There you are, banana connectors. Just some cable, insulated cable with croc clips. Again, so there's more, like more BNCs, chassis mounted SO239, an old radio connector, maybe Yaesu 101, and there's just loads of, chucking them all over the place now, BNCs and DC connecting leads, basically, croc clips, and that was all for £1. So they'll all come in handy one day for your projects. Another item that I didn't pick from a different seller was this. So I have seen these about, I can't remember what the company is called, I think it's called Isotron, if I remember rightly. This is the 20 metre version. I know it's not going to perform really efficiently, but I remember when these were first introduced and being sold. I think they're still manufactured now. And that was a tenner. And for a tenner I thought I'd give it a go. It come with the coax. So again, I've got PL259s if it doesn't work, there's wire on it, there's a bit of tubing, chassis mounted SO239, and all useful bits if the antenna doesn't work, the bracket, another. Again, for all those bits and pieces you'd probably pay a tenner for anyway, but it'd be quite interesting to see how well this performs. You know, for someone who restricted with antennas, it might just get you on the band. And again, it would be interesting to try it with modes like FT8 and Whisper. So that's my ham radio rally finds. If you ever think there's a radio rally coming up and you go, oh, I don't really need something, shove 20 quid in your pocket, doesn't have to be a lot, and you can pick up some really useful bits where you find people having a bit of a clear out, and it gets you out of the house for a couple of hours as well. Thanks for watching. 7-3.